Applications are no longer isolated islands of data. They are interconnected with each other to perform business tasks. Take, for example, the onboarding process of a newly hired employee. First, the employee needs to provide their personal information to the HR department. Then, they need to complete their GC directory information, followed by their GC Web 2.0, example GC Connects information. They also need to provide their information to the Network Services and IT department. And last but not least, they need to provide their personal information to the Finance department as well. But what if an application was forgotten or a mistake was made in the data? Let us look at the same example anew, except this time using interoperability. Instead of the newly hired employee needing to enter their data into each application in turn, he would update a single source of truth, in this case, HR. His information would be entered into the HR application, which would then, in turn, update all the other connected applications. This way, all the data remains in sync, and there's no risk of forgetting an application. Today, enterprise systems are not connected. Information is being manually transferred between each other using outdated methods such as FTP, MSFT, database links, etc. The consolidation of enterprise systems has begun. Over the next 4 years, as part of the government's efforts to modernize back-office applications, many departments will be migrating from departmental legacy HR systems to a single instance of PeopleSoft called MyGCHR, and from legacy financial systems to GCFM. Not all departments will be migrating to these new systems, and they will continue to leverage existing infrastructure. But what about all those connected applications? These new systems will need to connect to all relevant legacy applications across all migrating departments. That's a lot of connections, and the last thing you want is to do this the old-fashioned way using outdated, costly, and inefficient point-to-point technology. Time to introduce a new technology to make all those connections. An interoperability platform. This new platform has the ability to route messages between applications, thus eliminating the need for hundreds of point-to-point connections. It has the ability to transform messages, to orchestrate processes, and monitor business activities. To learn more about this project, please visit our website.